Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up your Dreame robot vacuum called DREAME X30 Ultra for the first time. At first, you will need to plug in the charging base, which you can find right here. As you can see, I have it already plugged in. The light here, well, it doesn't seem plugged in. The light isn't lighting up. I'm gonna make sure it's all the way in. And well, the light's not lighting up, even though it's in the socket, so I'll try to do something about it. Once the light is lighting up, it means the vacuum is on. So, the charging station is on. Well, it is not charging, so we'll get to that in a little moment, but it should basically have the light here. Also fill in the clean water tank. I know you can't see it on the camera right now, but on the top there is a lid that you can open freely and take out this white plastic tank, fill it in with water, put it back in, and if you've bought the device used, make sure that the dirty water tank is empty. Now, also make sure that the dust bag is installed. As you open these doors right here, make sure the dust bag is installed here. And if you have a cleaning solution included, you can take this tank out and fill it in right here with the cleaning solution, so it can be mixed with water automatically in order to achieve better cleaning results. Remember that the cleaning solution should be the one provided by Dreame. You shouldn't use any like grocery store like random kind of cleaning solution, because it may lead to robot damage. Now, another thing is to make sure that this plate right here is attached. This is the plate for cleaning the mops. Make sure it's inserted right on the inside. And also make sure that this sort of thing for the robot to drive on and wipe the mops there and everything. Make sure that it's also installed right here. It's also for your floor not to get wet too much. Then on the robot, there may be bumper protection foam, and make sure to remove it on both sides of the bumpers. If the robot was bought new, this is just for transport, and later on it should be removed in order for everything to work correctly. Install the mop pads like so. As you can see, this is a mop pad attached with Velcro to the plastic plate, and put it in like so. As we can see right now, it is in, and now we can just turn on the robot by sliding it into the charging station. To do it, make sure the back of the robot goes inside, so just slide it in like naturally. They've fallen out. I think I may need to sort of screw them on a little bit, because they may fall out since they're basically made to be automatically uninstalled by the charging station. So that's this. Okay, let's slide it in. Okay, it works. Now the light has lit up. The robot is in. The lights on the robot have started blinking, and there is a chime that we can hear that indicates our robot is turning on. It'll give us instructions on what to do to proceed, like to connect to the app. Most likely it'll say that out loud, and that's what we'll do right now. So we can set up the robot fully, have all the things available. So in order to do it, go to your iPhone or Android phone, depending on your preference, on the one that you have basically, and find the Dreame Home app. As you can see, this is what the app looks like. Let's download it. I'll get back to you in a moment because it'll very likely ask me to sign in. I'll do that off camera and I'll get back to you. Okay, now I have signed into the Dreame app, as you can see right here, and I can click on scan to add the robot or add to find it manually. Now, in order to scan the robot, you would need to find a QR code, which I believe is located right here. Yes, as you take the robot out and open the lid, you will notice it here. Hold on a second, I will pause. Now, I will select scan, but you can also select your correct model from the list by clicking on add. I'll click on allow. I'll also allow Bluetooth devices so it can connect. Let's scan the QR code. Now, the robot has been turned on, so let's approve that. I will put it back into the charging station because I don't know the charge level right now and I don't really want it to die during the setup. Is it charging now? It's not yet. Okay, now it is charging.
Start charging.
Let's now press and hold the spot clean button and the dock button. So both the buttons on the outside, because there's 3 buttons. In the middle there is a power button. So hold the other 2 buttons for about 3 seconds until you hear a voice prompt. As you can hear, it said waiting for the network configuration, and let's click on next. Now I will allow the location so it can find the Wi-Fi network I'm connected to currently. Make sure that the Wi-Fi network you're connecting to is 2.4 gigahertz because 5 gigahertz networks will not work on the robot. Enter the Wi-Fi password so it can directly be sent to the robot. Now, click device hotspot connection and join the hotspot generated from your robot. That will let your phone and the robot communicate and get each other's data. Let's allow local devices. Now it will take a short moment for it to connect. Now it is connected. And as you can see, I can click on next now, then enter the device name if I'd like to rename it, tap on finished, and it's done. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.